Hey, this is Dave with the Purple Bookshelf, and today I want to review Light Infantry Tactics for Small Teams by Christopher Larson. Christopher Larson is kind of a well-known author in this genre. I've got some of his other books, but anyway, this is a great book. It's about 8.5 by 11 inches big and about 250 pages, and so with that size of book, a lot of good information. The text is pretty easy to read. Not necessarily large print, but it's not jammed in there. And it's divided up into 6 sections. And the first section is individual competencies, and in that it's got different skills, right? And so say the first skill would be camouflage, and so there's some good pictures at how to apply camouflage. And then skill 2 would be hand and arm signals, where it has pictures of the actual hand and arm signals and what they mean. Get into fighting positions and infantry movement, land nav, communication procedures. So all the things that an individual soldier would need to do. All right, section 2 is on leadership, talks about different troop leading procedures, pre-combat inspections, warning orders, after-action reviews, different things, leader skills. Section 3 is patrolling manuals, and there's 5 different sections in that, covers about 30 pages. Talking about departing and re-entering the fighting line, right? Different methods to travel, attack formations, how to cross danger areas like roads and intersections and those sorts of things, right? How to react to ambush, near ambush right, near ambush left, far ambush, those sorts of things. Next section, section 4 is on defensive procedures. Talks about how to establish a defense security halt, patrol bases, hide a position, defensive line. A lot of good information on how to act defensively. Next section would be offensive operations, how to do recon, how to ambush, how to raid, how to attack, right? The basics of doing your job offensively in the military unit. Then the last section is appendixes, and I love appendixes because it's a good place to get a lot of miscellaneous information in there. And he's got 4 of them. Covers a little over 20 pages or so. Different methods of ambush, L-shaped ambush, those sorts of things. The difference, the concept between offense, defense, glossary of terms, talk about hierarchy and chain of command. And so if you don't know very much about the military, right, and you want to start learning, this is a good book for that. A lot of good pictures, a lot of good concepts boiled down. And if you dig into it, there's a little bit for people who have more experience. But for me, as somebody who's been out of the service for a long time, I find that it's a good way to refresh my memory. All right, and so Light Infantry Tactics for Small Teams by Christopher Larson. Good book, worth getting. And until next time, you can always catch me online, www.purplebookshelf.com.